Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to export CAM data for Blum Revego from the product configurator and what to expect when you import that data into your CNC software. Whether you're using WoodWop, NC Hops, B-Solid, F4 Integrate, Maestro, or a different workflow, this guide will show you the files you'll receive and the steps you'll need to complete inside of your CNC environment.
After configuring your Revego solution in the product configurator, you'll see Export section at the right of the screen. Here, you'll see two export options: Drilling Programs, CAM Data 2D. Now, let's look at what each export option includes and how to use them. The Drilling Program export contains machining programs indexed by Blum components. These files are generated per individual wood part. In most cases, these can be loaded into post-processing software with little or no editing. File types may include CIX, B-Solid Systems or BSA machine, F4G, F4 Integrate System or Felder machine, HOP, NC Hop System or compatible with all machines, MPR, WoodWop System or HOMAG machine, XCS, Maestro System or SCM machine. Before opening these files, we strongly recommend generating the PDF from the download section of the Actions window. Toggle on Cuttings, Wooden Parts, and toggle on Production Drawings. The PDF contains a graphic overview of all required wood parts, cutting list with drawing numbers, dimension drawings for every part, and the naming that matches each CAM program. Once you've selected your format, click Download. For this application today, we are using the MPR file format. Some wood parts have machining on both sides. In those cases, you'll see two files. For example, Panel 1 and Panel 2. The to file indicates that the piece must be flipped on the short side when machining. Face machining is included in the same file as the drillings, not as a separate program. Outer dimensions are included as contour paths, but you may need to create a milling cycle in your own software. 0 point allowance is set to 0. Adjust as needed in your CNC workflow. For Revego inner pocket panels, you'll sometimes see a track cutout. This is included as a contour path, but you must create your own milling cycle for it. In the production drawings, the back panel uses a rabbited construction. This rabbet is not included in the CAM program and must be added manually. The second option is the 2D CAM DXF export. This contains a DXF drawing for each wood part, including drilling information and outlines. Just like drilling programs, many parts only require one DXF, but if a panel has machining on both the top and bottom, you will see Panel DXF, Panel 1 DXF, Panel 2 DXF. Again, the to file means the part must be flipped on the short side. Face side machining is visible inside of the DXF. All drillings are included, and your WOP software will convert these into machining cycles. Outer dimensions are included as contour paths. On inner pocket sides, the track cutout appears as a contour path. You must create a milling cycle from this contour in your CNC software. The rabbet for the back panel is not included in the DXF geometry. You'll need to add this manually. Some cabinet makers ask why the Revego Duo inner pocket panel does not automatically include the L-shaped cutout in the DXF. This is intentional. Customers use different tools, different milling strategies, and different edge protections. Automatically generating the cutout would lead to incorrect machining, damage to parts, tools hitting finished edges. By requiring the cutout to be manually assigned in your CNC software, we help ensure accuracy and prevent costly errors. Once you open the CAM files in your CNC software, the exact workflow will vary based on your machine and tooling. But In general, you can expect to 1. Check drillings and automatically generated operations. 2. Assign any required milling cycles. 3. Add the rabbet or track cutout machining if needed. 4. Adjust allowances or 0-point shifts. 5. Simulate the program before production.
We hope this walkthrough helps you feel more confident working with Ravego CAM exports. If you have any questions about configuration, CAM data, machining details, the Blum team has you covered. So don't forget to subscribe for more Ravego content and tutorials like this.